Hi guys, welcome to our channel Cricket Madness. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Cricket Madness. This will encourage us to make more videos on cricket. Today in this video we are going to see how to maintain your bat. If you see this bat, I have maintained around 3 to 4 years without taking to the shop. And next thing we are going to see how to put the grip using the cone. What is this use of this tape, then this med grip, how I use to this bat. It will be available in the medical shop. It is around 134 rupees. Next we are going to see the use of this wooden hammer. Most of you know what is the use of wooden hammer, but let me also share my experience. Guys, now let's see how to put this batting grip by using this cone. If you see this should come up on the bat. See, so I should just invert it like this to the cone. Just put it inside. Okay, just roll it upward slowly. Slowly. Just put it like this again. See here. Just put it again like this. Then just roll downwards. So then take like this, put it on your bat. See, you guys may think why I am putting grip on the grip. Some people may like double grip, so some players may prefer double grip than single grip, because the holding of the bat would be easier if it is a double grip. It will be like a light-weighted bat, and if you play with double grip, you may see the comfort more than playing with single grip. Try it. If you like it, play with double grip. So let us put this grip down. Take it till down. So neck is coming out. Take it till down. So take it till down. Just roll it up. Take it till down. Just roll it up. See how slowly you should roll. Slowly, slowly. See guys, it came good. So top portion, just do like this. That's it. See, the bat got good grip. So try it guys. You may feel good if you put a grip yourself to your bat. Next thing what we are going to see means about this mid grip. This mid grip is available in all the medical shops and it is around 134 rupees. This how I used for my bat. Let us see. See, I will open this. Just it's like a tape. See here, it's like a thick tape. So if you see here, in the edges there are more cracks. So if you put this thing on your cracks, it is a protective layer. If you take for the matches also, it will not get broken that much easily. Around like 3 to 4 years I have this bat just because of this. If you want to own a own bat, do not give to others. This is a first kind of thing you should know. Next thing, if your edges getting broken, don't take every time to the shops. Just have this med grip and put it around your edges. It gave me a good outcome. You guys also use this med grip. It is just 134 rupees and have a huge roll. You can keep it for 1 to 2 years. This med grip you can use for your bat and around your fingers also you can roll this. Not this much big band, that will be somewhat smaller. You can cut it and use this to your fingers too. So guys, next what we are going to see means about this batting bottom tape. This batting bottom tape is available all the sports shops. It is around 30 to 40 rupees. You may get little cheap too. Just go to the right sports shop. Just cut it which matches your bottom of the bat. Just take this Fevibond. Fevibond is good for wood, so just paste it. So just paste it like this, and see. So just paste it. So guys, next what we are going to see means it's about this wooden hammer. This wooden hammer, most of you would be knowing what is this use. It is used for knocking the new bats. Why we should knock the new bats means the chances of breaking of the new bat when you take directly to the matches are more. So knock it wisely and take it to the practice first, and then after 2 months or 3 months of good knocking and playing the practice, then take it to matches, so that your chances of breaking of the bat would be less compared to taking the new brand bat to the match directly. So see, knock it like this. So knock it like this. So this is the use of this wooden hammer. Guys, this video is mainly made because to share my personal experience how I maintained this bat for around 3 to 4 years without taking to the shops. It may also help you. If you also have any ideas, please comment in the box so everyone will get to know your ideas too. Thanks for supporting our channel. Please like, share and support our channel Crick Madness.